Today I'll show you how to make a clean and simple daily habit tracker in Excel. It's really easy to make, and I'm sure after watching this video you can surely do it on your own. So what I've already done is I mentioned the task on the left hand side, and I mentioned the days across the top already. Also what I've done is I have filled in what task I have done on a particular day. So as you can see, on the first day I already only did gaming task, rest all task I didn't do, so I put it as 0. So what we'll do first is convert it into a table so it's more presentable for you. So we'll select the data and we can press Ctrl T, and we'll then check if all the data is selected, and then we can press OK. So after that we have a clean and presentable table which we can use for our data, and as you can see we have filters as well. So in case you have larger data, you can use this filter to select your tasks, and you check which tasks you have done and which tasks you haven't. After this, see in this data you can easily see which how many tasks you did in total, because the data is really small. But in larger data, let's say you have 100 tasks and you have to check how many tasks you completed. So you can use the sum function. So sum function is a function which you can use to gather, you can add all the cells which you want to. So the formula is equal to sum, then you open your bracket, then you select the range you want to add, then you close the bracket, and then you press enter. So as you can see here, I have only completed one task, so the sum is only 1. That means on day 1 I have completed only one task. You don't have to repeat the formula again and again for every day. You just can drag it across your left and see, you can get all the total for every day each day. So for this day you have completed 3 tasks, for day 8 you have completed 4 tasks, like this. So for this data you don't need a sum function, but in case you have larger data, this is a really useful function for you to use. After that, you can also make it more presentable by using the color coding function, the conditional formatting. So what you can do is select the data and you can go to conditional formatting, and you can use your color scales. So I'll use the green, yellow, red color scale, which shows 0 as red and 1 as yellow, which I've completed, and at the bottom you can see the green ones, which is like a good days where I have completed most of my tasks. So that's how you can maintain a daily tracker for your day-to-day activities. It's simple and you can use it every day. Please let me know if you have any questions in this video, and I'll happy to assist you. Thank you.